Hey, good morning, YouTube. Today we're gonna install the American Standard food, disposal. I purchased this, one, from Costco, and I just unboxed it, and you can see that it does not come with a putty, but it comes with the gasket and a ring, and some gasket, and I took this off from the ring, and also the part go underneath the sink. There's a couple things here you want to operate it. From the disposal itself, I knock out the. You can see that there's a hole here. I knock out the dishwasher discharge. So and also within the box, it comes with this black tube and this metal thing bracket. So I just easily put it on. It's not super hard. So and then. One thing I gave me a little bit surprise is that it needs a wall outlet, so I need to figure out how to install that. Moving over, as you can see, my installation situation is a little bit different because it is a new sink. So I'm gonna update you guys how long it take and what things what troubles I've seen when I proceed the installation process. But the very first thing I noticed is that when it comes with a box, all three things are pre-assembled together, where there's a wire being holding together. So I just use a chisels and knock it off. I believe I need to put it back on. So that's something it took me a while to see what I should do. So again, this is the model ASD1250, Costco number 962786. All right, I come back to YouTube and update you guys. Hey YouTube, and just keep going on the disposal update. So so far so good. I found that, just a side note, if I do not put on the disposal and install the faucet thing going on here first, it's a lot easier, which is what I did. So basically you get this baby out of the way and then get every business down behind the sink, then you can move on to this one. So in my particular use case, I moved from 2 sinkhole to 1 sinkhole. So now my current issue is that I need to hook up my dishwasher discharge to this guy, and the Lowe's guy told me that one thing it was done incorrectly last time. It was the incoming discharge going from low to high to the discharge, which is incorrect. So what he told me is that instead it should get from high to low, which is high, water go high, and the low to the discharge here. So that way, even there's a backflow out here, it's not gonna easily drain down, it's gonna go up. Or at the least, the water has to be level as higher than this one, all the way out of the sink, then you will notice that. Anyway, that's one trick that I learned today. So I wouldn't tell you who installed my last one, but it was a professional installation of my dishwasher. Anyhow, I probably need one more trip to Lowe's where I bought this thing going on here. I could have used the old one, but I might. Hey, if I'm doing it myself, it's so cheap, $2 or $4. Why would I replace everything? So I can hook up with this, and the only thing is that I go to a vertical line to hook up this black thing. So as you see that this black L-shaped elbow is directly coming from the American standard disposal box. So hang on there. I will figure out how to connect this to, and we're almost there. By the way, last thing I noticed that so this is a hard wire in my last disposal situation. So I need to put a wall mount somewhere around here. So that's another to do. So I come back on this. So before that, I would like to finish as much business as I can do here before I run to the next trip. You never know what else you're gonna need. Okay, hang on there. See you later. Hey YouTube, and this is the final production of the my single sink the ball installation. You can see that I bought another clamp to clamp it, and the lowest I recommend that you extend the U to the C trap, the whatever trap over here. So it used to be on the wall. I have some like a purple, a solvent to glue that on. You can see a little bit messy on that one. And so you're gonna be, I just water test is okay. And additionally, I put a metal wall outlet on the wall. It took me a while. So overall, it took me about 5 hours. I'm not a professional by no means, but hey, I got the job done. And finally, let's take a look at how this sounds.